Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a persona to your whiteboard on the Canva application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on a whiteboard that you would like to use, and after that click on the plus icon that will appear down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then you should tap on templates and slide to the right side at the top and click on persona. Here you can find a bunch of subcategories such as profile, about me presentations, personal profile, biography, and so on. Here you can find these user personas, templates that you can use, but you can also select those ones that I have mentioned and click on it that you would like to insert, and in a few seconds you will be able to check it out. You can add your text to it if you zoom in and select the relevant box you would like to edit. You can also change the shape of it as well as the color. The border color can be set to the style, the font size, font color, and other information and other features can be added too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.